Погнали.
This is Ram team. Finally, big announcement. We located a grill with the lock and everything. That's where we found it. It's a find part that I one part request. Put in your reg, find your car, and tell them what part you want. You can leave a note, you can add a photo as well, then fill up your address and find it. And they texted me today straight away after like 10 minutes, and they got me my part. And they will deliver it.
3 days later.
So we think the starter is broken. We're gonna take it out and see if it works or not. I think that could be our issue. And yeah, as we said, is broken. It doesn't want to turn, it pushes out. The cylinder is working, but the starter itself is broken. So that must be the problem of our focus not starting. Yo, what's going on? This is Ram team. So currently we're on the way to get a starter right now. Used one, which is almost an hour away. And we're gonna try to fit this in today and see what happens. Hopefully it fixes, it should fix it, yeah. Because the old one was smelling and was smoking while it was cranking the engine. So hopefully this is the problem. Starter, and I'm going home right now. We're gonna fit it and hope for the best. I'll keep you updated about it. The weather is horrible, absolutely horrible. It's raining like crazy. You gotta keep working, you know. Gotta keep working, keep pushing, keep doing, you know. You just gotta keep doing this shit.
A few minutes later.
Just replace the bolts and everything from old starter to new. I think it was number 10 head for the socket. And on the top 13. Under the car, 2 bolts in, then go over the top, you can reach under and you'll find the 3rd bolt. Okay, number 4. Take out the battery and the battery tray to get more space to the starter. Now we're just putting it back together. Bolts all around. Yeah, let's give it a shot, see if it starts. We hook up the battery because our battery is kind of weak, so we want to keep it cranking. There shows the voltage, 13.1.
Давай, блядь. Кас. Сука, нахуй. That is working. We're getting close now. Go. Yes, давай, курва. Блядь, як на ног круг. So close, we getting it.
Run that up, Rico.
But I surrender to your game, boy. Living ain't gon' change now.
So we kept cranking like for 1 hour straight, on and off, it wouldn't start. So the next step we're gonna call a guy with a computer, he's gonna hook it up and tell exactly what's wrong with it. And find out about the next episode. Before it wasn't even turning over, so this is big progress.
The next morning.
As you can see, the radio is locked, so we decided to take it out. As I see on manual, there's a serial number on the back of the radio, and you can just put it in the radio and it will unlock it. We're gonna try and find that. It's on the 4 Phillips screws. So take them out. The radio should pop out.
Something's weighing heavy. Created too much pressure, this ain't healthy. We were all good, love was plenty. Now look at the cause, love is down me.
So yeah, there's the radio, and the serial code is on top of it. It starts with an N.